Hey YouTube. Anyway, I took a video yesterday and the camera had flipped on me. It looks like it's working now. I didn't recognize that it had done that. I wasn't paying any attention. So it looked like it was normal, but when I went to upload it, it was all goofy. So here you go. Part redo. Let's put it that way. Redo. So I got as much done on this side I'd kind of want to get done before winter sets in too much. This little piece here I got to share with the other side, so I'm kind of waiting once I get done. Whoops, fingers. Once I get done with that side, then I can do finish these ends here. So yeah, it's really dirty. I've been sitting down on the ground, sitting on my trailer for a while, sitting inside the building, and give you an look here. I got the backside done, so it's coming along here as well. I probably should have put more screws in here, but that's what I went with. So if it starts coming off, I guess I'll put more screws in. Not this side to do yet. So I got some J channel to put in. I have some actual sheathing I gotta kind of fill in above the door there, and that's about it. I have to put my little bottom board around on the bottom there. Really wonder if this was worth it, but hey, I guess there's no question now. I've committed myself to it. I got all the nearly $3,000 worth of tin and windows and trim and whatnot on here. Here's my, kind of hoping it looks good. Here's my light I put on. All this stuff is from Menards. And I still have to put some more screws in the roof up here. Probably gonna wait until it gets nice and warm again. It was a beautiful day this morning. I should have actually just stayed home and worked on this, but I got done what I need to get done. I'm happy. So, there you go. Thanks for watching.